everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use rectangles, frames and lock items on your Miro board. 3 essential tools that will help you stay organized and keep your designs secure. Let's start with rectangles. On your Miro board, head to the toolbar on the left and click the shape tool. From the shape options, choose rectangle. If you prefer shortcuts, just press R on your keyboard. Click and drag anywhere on your board to draw. You can resize it by dragging the edges. Double click inside to add text and customize the fill color, border or alignment using the quick toolbar that pops up. Next up, frames. Frames in Miro are like slides or sections that help you organize and group your ideas. To create one, simply press F or click the frame tool from the toolbar. Then drag to create your frame. Already have content on your board? No problem. Just select the objects, click the 3-dot menu and choose Create Frame. Miro will automatically group everything neatly inside. Finally, let's talk about locking items. If you've ever had your perfectly aligned elements accidentally move, this feature will save you. Select the object you want to protect, then click the lock icon from the top menu. Or use the shortcuts Ctrl plus Shift plus L on Windows or Command plus Shift plus L on Mac. Once locked, your items stay exactly where they belong, no matter how many collaborators join the board. And that's it. By mastering rectangles, frames and locks, you'll be able to structure your Miro boards like a pro. Clean, secure and easy to navigate. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my other Miro 2025 tutorials for more productivity tips. Happy mirroring!